wenum hu bo mu bi na ya to nsa fra nipa no ya sa kwachi na tum de se de benti na ekrom ampanifo ampese galamse no ye betu so sa ana kwasa de nkofo bi a kire mu ebi kura so special prosecutor chia wo che papa frempon no ne kwa so ano no na eno nam so emamra hye badwani a woginam dema de sha one more busa south about one person so ukopiemu awamra hye badwafie so agina tukwa one mo hye humesu ansem so no ka ho bi Dr. Clement Apak wade atu dwaya wo chem se kwabna frempon what professor chia ye che no nyansa baako se mpuntua mu na wo cheche ni se no se ewom se office of the special prosecutor ya owura kisia jabe na tua no sese ehusu wo so no kakra sem bi ba otimi afrafra tietemu eno kyerese papa ne wo so no honanso professor kwabna frempon what nchia ye che no ne de enkyere hu enkyere ta enkyere bibia wo tamfata enu nti no en wo ka se special prosecutor na ye hunahuna ani animtia bi no person wo bu aya professor kwabra frempon na kan se hu nti na kwabra ne de nsama babonten na ye hwehwe ma ya che no wo mu ka ho obo mu di nyina da de omo tetewa bobo mo to pampers ni brazia ya obi ade kwa onim special prosecutor no adie bempan wo pese corruption frempon report awuo papa we no abone bra wie asi na bra bon wa bwan hafa enti adie bempan beka papa we obetwa ntro wose won de wo gidie pa se aya professor kwabna frempon boaten ne report na ya nokura trodo enu nti na nkofo bi aha mani sap na papa nanso sampanifo nhwe ne oma ya kroma se yete hano wa na nneoma age gonguran.
At least we are seeing some progress in terms of action by the Office of the Special Prosecutor determining and why the professor was that so far has been arrested and granted bail. That perhaps there is an attempt to try and intimidate the professor, given the context and the timing. And suddenly we hear that the professor who authored the report is the one who has been invited and arrested. He has not run away. He has said that he is willing to subject himself to every form of scrutiny. He has no qualms. He's not going to go anywhere. He's even made the comment to the effect that those who have been cited, some of them will regret, because that should tell you that he is very dogged and he's very determined to help unearth the truth and to bring about accountability. But I think where eyebrows are being raised is the manner in which it was done. Because I have no reason to doubt Professor Frempong Boateng. I truly believe that he's a very honest, sincere man. He would say it the way it is.
Nipa wuti ninkai oyam na shebedani a wajinam de madesha one more busa south about one person so ni manyamfo Clement Apak na orakle watwa so biamu ana wo kirem se galamse no se ne edi ye wo krom ha se no ho se ye kamu nkiremu abomu amane a kire wanka Ghana fo beta wo manum ne kwakwasa ya nkofo ate ho aya no wetre sam no acha se asefem wose galamse ya yesi ye trusu sei ewu a edie no ema binom kra no ebi ma wo mu akwa something which is the enam ensuo ahodro ya nom koye nipadua mu wose enai ya bewa kwada ne hu ba bia techema ni nyina ya galamse afo magudi ankofo bi etu ne kwambone so chemicals enyoma wo mu di tu galamse ni nti na akwa frafra nsuo ni nsuo di afra oba akodumpe na wo mu akwa bibi bebre prekesen anu nti se awudia edi ya na sabawe otesuei abone to pampers brazia na ye nti obi anyumlumba boma ni nti waso di behye mu aba no nti so dogo bi no abem prese ye betu galamse no so sadea enyo no ani jejereje nenso se asamro dia ahometi wo mu se ye di yakuro edi ya man na ya hyehyamra na mra ne yankase ye ntimi endi so.
The implications, the impacts of galamsey are very dire. I mean, as we speak now, we are beginning to see the images. We are hearing the stories of how women are being affected, how it is affecting their reproductive systems. We are beginning to see visuals of babies being born with deformities. We are beginning to hear stories about how the underground water is being poisoned by the mercury, by the arsen. It is beginning to affect the food chain. We are seeing the depletion of our forests, the constant pollution of our water bodies. Look, we are on a suicide mission. And it is unfortunate that as a state, we seem to be powerless. And then you begin to wonder, how can a state, a sovereign nation state, with all the powers of the state, we seem to be powerless in dealing with a canker that is being perpetrated by a few greedy people in our society for their benefit, endangering the rest of us. We are failing as a people, and those that we have entrusted with our collective power and resources are not doing us any good.
Nipa wutini nkai ayamra shabedwani a wojram de madehia wonu mo busa south abatwo mpeso so ukopie mo amra shabedwe fie so agina tukwa wonu mo hwehu mesu ansem so papa ka ho bi onimonyamfo Dr. Clement Apak yenkwa yanim ewo animendo timpenten kwanunti ene entesukokwa womati pe na nado danko akufo na bedi achanim se sra no ebusuase wani agira wo kyan waso na wotie owura Samuel Amoa ania waya member Emma Plantation and Seedling Scheme ya wa asante mantem wamo de omo wo enua no yekotu duadua no wamo na nasi ye ni bibia ansa na anyini kakra ma yatimi atu akwadua enunti papa yi kire se wonom ka de acha na nado danko akufo do so omo de omoka papa nti omom dan betua womoka asante mantem kuo ye ja wonom na ehwe eye sa enua no naba ene ne ho senkaye nyina so no womo asem womoka nyina da ne se wonom ka kira manes abadi womoka 28 million Ghana cedis nanso abadi akira wono na hwensa ase ani obade ne paso wura benito ade no enya 28 billion na ebom 28 million 28 million so mo fasika no so mra twinchi na atwan na owura Samuel chese mprembre ye ka se de wamu no mutimi nche sika poten esa se de omo ka ye no embra bonten na ode se 28 million ode omo ka won fa musika emfa ma wom de omo peso mani ko atwa wisi ahune santa mo huno ene se sika na ba bedo ma account mu owura Samuel Amoa wo twani samsu biama no chem se mprembre ye ka se awamo bra papa wamo mudi enuano hu djuma no wamo bra papa wase 2021 Green Ghana Day no aban ba wamo nchan ya wamo sopra wamo enuan ketenkete ni bidiadua no wamo ma aban no bi 2022 so de no mo ma aban ni bi ana ba ku bi kro mo so no do mo kwa akwadua ewo forest kwa bretuo mu enyana ya twetwa no ya san edi ebi esiana afforestation eno so hunua womwa na dema aban no enti se ya disika ma wa adenti na wo ban betua emfa ma wo mo anase ama wadua se kwadua wana so ye Green Ghana Day je na wo so bra mi misika esanse eye nipa ena tena se nese ye no edi na bamba gugu suwa ma binum ewuwu eni aposifo se ebi mu eni esanse wo kwagigi sika ena di bedi se adwuma no enti aban no so ayuso awia adenti ena aban no hwe sika no emre wo mo apapa sankrata chura afecho empanifo abunua guo maso enua no mukodua ye no nketoa no wo mabubu bia guo maso mti wo monte hwehwehwe na sese de wonu masigina ye se nimo antimi wa etetonto mana otimifuo so timi wa roka afu wabeti enu nti wo mo de asam na kwa akoto obi animu nipa ne di mu pa wa krom ha sei eti wo mo hwe animu se asam no ebewie mu de se opani kase no so bam na sade no anwie mu de a ani wo de ba frosoro ho na gaga to ga empanifo de sia wo mo so de betwa ne se ha mo obi ani so atene wine.
We've been writing letters to the ministry. We've been pressurizing Forestry Commission. We even once a time went to finance so that they can pay us. We've spoken to them. We've done all that we could. But so they've not paid us. Earlier on, we said the government owes us about 28 billion. And then Honorable Benito came back to rebut that figure. And he said 28 million Ghana cedis. Well, we are not challenging him. We cannot get the exact figure because they have the data. Whatever it is, all that we need is that if even we owe us 1 cedi, you pay us. That is all that we need. Since 2021, 2022, both Green Ghana, and then afforestation that they've been doing. Why are they doing that to us? The trauma and hardships that people are going through. It's not easy. We are petitioning a very respectable person. After that, if that fails, then maybe we will advise ourselves.
Nipa wuti ninka wa member Adema asante mantemo plan edua wo kroma na nanu fiada wafo akwadua ebije tretase papai ekase owura Samuel amoa abusua ya baba ko hotel fo ne ho wo hotel di wawa hotel say no say if you crowd me down now said no I have to change the position, you know, new position, new styles. New styles no say no wamuso mo ba betubuom esansa abane ni wamudi agroboni bia wono mote ase enye nti wo bakwade ase hotel ase ne boa yeden na wankase wahunu de nkofuo e kane de ntia ne boa yeden na ansa le beko hotel fo ne so no ma mindi dwa Jubilee Hospital